Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this video is all about the GATE Ecology and Evolution paper preparation. We will know the syllabus, how to prepare, what are the books to follow, how to download and practice the previous year's questions, what is the mark distribution and cut-off for this exam. So these tips will definitely help you in the examination. So without wasting much time, let's get started. How there is the mark distribution in GATE. So what is the total mark? So total mark जो है वो 100 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है जिसमें कि जनरल एप्टीट्यूड भी आते हैं एंड सब्जेक्ट पेपर. फॉर एग्जांपल इन आवर केस दैट इज इकोलॉजी एंड इवोल्यूशन का पेपर होता है. So the 100 marks paper, 15 marks is denoted for the general aptitude. So general aptitude क्या होता है? You know that banking and all general aptitude the questions will be given. So they are very easy, and if you haven't prepared for also this thing, if you can give 1 month time, you can be able to score very good marks. So 5 1-mark questions are given in the general aptitude section and 5 2-mark questions are given. So total 15 marks question for general aptitude. So here this is the very important part, because if you're scoring good here, you'll be able to qualify without scoring much more in the subject paper. Subject paper is important, but if you're scoring good in this paper, that will definitely compensate for the lacuna in the paper. So for example, in NET paper 1 if you're doing well, in paper 2 if it is going wrong or somewhat less than the expectation, it can compensate. So similarly here also it works. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द 85 मार्क्स सब्जेक्ट पेपर. सो ये जो 85 मार्क्स होता है इसमें 25 मार्क्स के आते हैं 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन 25 क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर एंड 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन विल बी 30 क्वेश्चंस गिवन. देन व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन? विल इट बी सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव और हाउ? सो एमसीक्यूज विल बी देयर एज वेल एज NATs. सो ये NATs क्या है? दे आर न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप. So for all the MCQ question coming in both this paper, general aptitude and subject paper, minus marking is there. Yes, negative marking होता है. If it is for the 1 mark question, then 1/3 mark will be deducted. So 1/3 minus हो जाएगा. If it is for the 2 mark question, 2/3 marks will be deducted. But if it is that NAT, that is numerical answer type question, no marks will be deducted. Yes. एंड आपको ये पता होना चाहिए दिस क्वेश्चंस डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. सो उसमें कोई ऑप्शन नहीं दिया गया होगा, उसमें क्वेश्चन दिया गया होगा, आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. मैथ्स से रिलेटेड हो सकता है, इकोलॉजी के जो इवोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड हो सकता है. सो यू हैव टू मार्क द आंसर एज नंबर. सो न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में आपको ऐड करना होता है, वहाँ पे पुट करना होता है. इफ इट इज राइट देन वेल एंड गुड, इफ इट इज रॉन्ग ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इज देयर फॉर न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप. Similarly, one more kind of questions are asked and they are MSQ. That means multiple select question. In this kind of question, the very interesting thing is that there is no negative marking and there can be one or more than one possible correct answer in the given option. So these are the 3 kinds of questions which will be asked in the GATE paper. Now let's move on to the syllabus of ecology and evolution. That's very important and I would like to say जो नेट एनवायरमेंटल साइंस के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उन लोगों के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल एंड ईजी होगा कंपेरेटिव टू अदर स्टूडेंट्स. येस, सो अदर स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स लाइफ साइंस ऑल्सो देयर इज अ पेपर इन CSIR नेट, but the ecology and evolution paper in GATE is more close to the UGC NET environmental science paper. So if you are preparing for the UGC NET EVS, then this paper will be definitely easier for you compared to other candidates. So सेक्शन 1 में आ जाता है सिलेबस के इकोलॉजी, जो कि एनवायरमेंटल साइंस में भी होता है. वेरी बेसिक्स, बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स क्या होता है, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन, म्यूचुअलिज्म, लोटका-वर्टर इक्वेशन, कम्युनिटी इकोलॉजी, ecosystem structure and function. So tropic levels, their interaction, all these things are also there in the NET environmental science syllabus. Let's move on to the second section. Second section is evolution. Yes, that's the characteristic feature of this paper which is not that much found in the NET EVS paper. So this is the important thing which you have to apply in the GATE paper, because here everything related to evolution and genetics is there. You can see fundamentals of evolution, diversity of life history strategies. So R&K selection, you can tell that it is there in NET EVS paper. So some similarities will be there, but mostly it is related to evolution. So interactions are also there, population and quantitative genetics, molecular evolution and phylogenetics, and macroevolution. So all these are coming under evolution section syllabus of GATE ecology and evolution. Next आ जाते हैं हमारे थर्ड सेक्शन की तरफ. थर्ड सेक्शन इज डीलिंग विथ मैथ्स. जी हाँ, mathematics and quantitative ecology is the third section in which Statistics is very important. If you are having strong grip on statistics, you will be definitely doing well in this exam. So ANOVA, type 1, type 2 error, concept of p-values. So all these basics and questions coming from this will be coming in the paper. Let's move to the next section. So syllabus का जो fourth section है उसे behavioral ecology कहते हैं. So behavioral ecology for plants and animal and wildlife and all these things come under this. So classical ethology, instinct, everything will be related to plant and animal behavior. Sensory ecology, foraging ecology. So all these are branches of ecology, that is behavioral ecology is handling in this section. Reproduction, the cost of sex, sexual dimorphism, all these things are very important. Next is social living. So this is also important in this paper. Altruism, reciprocity, human behavior. So all these things are important in the behavioral ecology. Final section of this GATE paper is applied ecology and evolution. So this is very important. Biodiversity and conservation, it is very easy and the concept is also matching with the syllabus of NET environmental science. So ये आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा जो NET के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. Next is disease ecology and evolution. So epidemiology, zoonotic disease, that means disease caused by the animals. Next are plant and animal breeding kinds, what are their genetic basis, mutualism, all these things. And finally global climate change, that is the most burning topic throughout the world, their causes, consequences, mitigation. You can get the questions from these sections also. So now if we are considering which areas to focus more, so ये बहुत ही बड़ा लग रहा है but you have to see that. So syllabus को हमने 5 areas में divide कर दिया है जहाँ के हमें focus ज़्यादा करना है. So these are ecology, evolution, behavior of animals, biostats, applied ecology and wildlife. So जिसके अंदर climate change and all भी आएगा. So ये 5 है जो कि जो जीस्ट है ये सिलेबस का गेट इकोलॉजी इवोल्यूशन का. ये 5 एरिया आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, आपको फोकस ज़्यादा करना है. सो नेक्स्ट है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर. सो हमने तो जान लिया सिलेबस ये है, उसका 5 मेन जो फोकस एरिया ये है, किस तरह प्रिपेयर करना है, किसको हेल्प करेगा किसको हेल्प नहीं करेगा, बट किस तरह प्रिपेयर करना है आइए जानते हैं. सो टारगेट एंड सॉल्व प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी एग्जामिनेशन. सो ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर को आपको जितना ज़्यादा सॉल्व करेंगे, उसको एनालाइज करेंगे, दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू. So how to get the previous year's question paper, we will know after reading all these things. I will tell you where to get this previous year's question along with the answer key. So अब है important which books to follow. So ये जो 5 कैटेगरी मैंने बताया उसके लिए मैं बुक्स बता रहा हूँ आपको. इकोलॉजी सेक्शन के लिए Elements of Ecology by T.M. Smith and R.L. Smith is good. You can also go for Odom book. Ecology, the Experimental Analysis by C.J. Krebs is also very useful. Evolution के लिए आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं डीजे फुतियामा बुक और एम रिडले बुक, दैट इज इवोल्यूशन बुक. बिहेवियर के लिए इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिहेवियर इकोलॉजी बाय जे.आर. क्रेप्स एंड एन.बी. डेविस. एनिमल बिहेवियर के लिए एन इवोल्यूशनरी अप्रोच बाय जे.एल. कॉक. बायोस्टैट्स के लिए कोई भी बुक अगर आपको जो भी इजी लगता है आप उसको ले सकते हैं बेसिक्स को क्लियर करने के लिए, लेकिन ज़्यादा जानने के लिए एनालिसिस ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल डाटा बाय एम.सी. व्हिटलॉक एंड डी. स्लटलर. सो नेक्स्ट इज अप्लाइड इकोलॉजी एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए Conservation Biology for All by N.S. Sodhi and P.R. Ehrlich. And Cell Biology, Genetics, Molecular Biology, Evolution and Ecology, ये all together मिल जाता है P.S. वर्मा जो ऑथर है उनके बुक से. सो इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं लिंक दे दूंगा कहाँ से आपको मिलेगा, लेकिन आपको उसके लिए वेट करना है क्योंकि ये Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट में कभी कभी अनअवेलेबल भी हो जाता है. सो लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. दिस बुक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, wherever you are finding this category of book, any which is very useful and easy for you, you can go and read from that. Next आ जाते हैं who accepts the gate score and what is the cutoff. So gate देने के बाद आपको help क्या होगा, आप कहाँ जाएंगे. So this gate score after qualifying, you will be able to join as PhD scholar, research scholar in different labs and institutes throughout the India. Yes. So here who are accepting this? So not small institutes like IISER. So all IISERs are accepting GATE score through Pune, Kolkata, IISER Mohali, IISER Thiruvananthapuram, Bhopal, Tirupati and Berhampur. All these are considering GATE ecology and evolution paper. So it is not that you have to go for mechanical engineering and all. GATE ecology and evolution paper को भी ये consider करते हैं. Other institute like IISc, NCBS, NIS, JNCSR Bangalore, so all these are considering the score. Now coming to the cutoff. So cutoff इसका कितना रहता है? So 100 मार्क का पेपर होता है. So cutoff जो है मैं जनरल कैटेगरी की बात कर रहा हूँ, that is around 40 to 50 marks. सो मोस्टली इट इज़ मोर देन 40 मार्क्स। सो आपको ये नहीं है नेट के पेपर की जैसे 65, 70, 80 कट ऑफ इतना जाएगा। सो 100 से अगर 40 प्लस स्कोर आप कर लेते हैं तो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड, यू विल बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई गेट। बट स्कोर आपको 400 प्लस 500 प्लस अगर रखेंगे तभी आपका ज़्यादा चांसेस होगा कि आपको कोई भी ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट हायर करने के लिए। यस, व्हाट इज स्कोर? सो 100 मार्क्स से आपको लाना है 40 to 50 मार्क्स फॉर कट ऑफ इन जनरल कैटेगरी, बट स्कोर इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 1000 मार्क्स। सो 1000 से आप कितना लाते हैं? अगर आपका स्कोर 400 प्लस या 500 प्लस है देन इट इज़ वेल एंड गुड। सो हाउ दिस इज कैलकुलेटेड? 1000 मार्क्स जो है इसमें एक फॉर्मूला है, आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे। तो दिस फॉर्मूला इज यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट द स्कोर ऑफ एवरी कैंडिडेट by considering the mark, that is the mean mark of 0.1% of the qualified candidates or top 10 candidates. So जो भी higher value होगा that will be considered, that is their marks will be considered who have appeared in this paper particularly, so in the paper which you are giving. So those things are considered, those parameters, and then your score is calculated. So as we have discussed that 40 plus if you are scoring, it is a good mark to qualify the GATE ecology evaluation. So this is the example. Here you can see by scoring 40 plus mark you can qualify the GATE. But if you are scoring more marks then it will be very best for you for getting selected in this kind of institute because your score will be more. So that's all I have to say about the cutoff and all. So now it's time to see how to download the question paper and the previous year's answer key. So let's check it out. So as we know, for the year 2022, IIT Kharagpur is the organizing institute. So you have to log into the website gate.iitkgp.ac.in. Then click on this option, that is old question papers. Yes, यहाँ पे आपको click करना है. After clicking on that, you will get the question papers of previous years and you have to select the years. So here you have to select and then there will be the drop down list and you have to select accordingly which year's question paper you want. For example, we want the question paper for 2021, then we will click there and click our respective subject. So our subject is GATE Ecology and Evolution. We have to find that in this drop down section and here, yes, it is Ecology and Evolution coming up on the screen. Let's click on that. After clicking on that, we will get this option that click here to download the paper. So here you will click and you will be able to download the paper for the 2021 Ecology and Evolution. So the download is started. Then after that this PDF will open and you can see starting with the general aptitude ecology and evolution paper. Then scrolling down you will get all the questions and you'll also get the question from the paper, that is paper is ecology and evolution. Then at the end of the PDF you will be able to get the answer key also. That's the best thing, you'll get the answer key for every question. So at the end I would like to say there is a playlist for GATE Ecology and Evolution where we have solved the previous year's question, important questions. You can check them before going for the exam. They will be definitely helpful in the examination. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to get all further updates. Keep smiling, believe in yourself. See you guys in our next video.